Hello, this is Cameron with United Credit, showcasing our trade line postings for the week. We'd like to show our trade lines posting, proof of posting, let you know our trade lines are alive and well, and they do post on a regular basis. We have over 400 trade lines that are posting pretty much every day now, from Discover to Cap One, Barclays, TD Bank. So call us for more information and to get on our list is tradelines.biz. This particular gentleman ordered 2 trade lines. Here we have a Capital One, 20,500. This is about 19 years old. Then we have a Discover card he ordered, 19,000 limit. This is about 16 years old. Perfect pay history. Authorized user. Here we have authorized user. So there you have it, just a short video showing our lines are posting. Again, get on our list at tradelines.biz. Quick tip I tell people when buying trade lines, if you have a lot of accounts, then you don't want to buy trade lines. They won't benefit you. The boost will not be that much. If you have 2 to 3 trade lines that are young, new accounts, then you want to go ahead and buy a trade line. Let me repeat myself. So if 10 or more accounts, you don't want to buy trade lines. If you have 1 or 2 accounts, then it will help you. The key is the average age. We're trying to increase the average age, which is about 30% of your score in buying a trade line. So that's the benefit when you buy trade lines. Another tip is the utilization. If utilization is high, you want to pay it down. Sometimes buying a high limit trade line can help you somewhat with utilization. So those are the 2 tips in buying trade lines. High utilization and average age. You want to increase your average age to get that ultimate boost. But again, call us for more information and free consultation. We can review your file and let you know if it will benefit you or if it won't benefit you. You don't want to waste your hard-earned money buying trade lines that won't benefit you. And we're of the kind that, if it won't help you, we won't take your money. We want to make sure it'll help you in the long run. That's it for today. Our list again, to get on our list is tradelines.biz or call us 202-213-2218. We're also doing credit repair now. If you want more information on that, that's creditsweep.us. Again, my name's Cameron. Call anytime from 10 to 7. Thank you. Have a great day.